Understanding the phrase, give ear. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a rather poetic and old-fashioned phrase you might come across in literature or formal speeches. Give ear. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Well, you're in for a treat. When we think of the word ear, the first thing that probably comes to mind is the organ we use to hear sounds. And give, it's simply an action of providing or offering something. So, putting these words together, you might think it means to literally give someone your ear. But don't worry, no one is really asking for your ear. It's all metaphorical. In the realm of the English language, give ear is a figurative expression. It means to listen attentively or to pay careful attention to what someone is saying. If someone asks you to give ear, they are essentially asking for your focused attention, to lend them your ears for a moment. For example, please, give ear to what I have to say, it's of great importance. In this instance, the speaker is urging the listener to pay close attention to their words. Though the exact origin is hard to pin down, give ear has been used in literature and writings for centuries. One notable example is in the Bible, where the phrase is used multiple times to ask people to pay attention to important messages or teachings. While give ear is a bit old-fashioned, you might still encounter it in poetic contexts, classical literature, or formal speeches. It's not commonly used in everyday casual conversations, but understanding it can enrich your appreciation for the beauty and depth of the English language. So, next time you come across the phrase, give ear, you'll know it's an invitation to listen closely. It's a beautiful reminder of how language can be both direct and metaphorical. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, keep exploring the vast world of English expressions.